Describe a natural place. While Bangladesh is a diverse country, there are so many natural places available in Bangladesh, such as Bandarban, Khagrasuri, Sri Mongol, and Jaflong also. And my nearest natural place is Satchuri National Park. Now I'd like to talk about Satchuri National Park. Uh, Satchuri National Park is a nearby Hobbyganj district. It is a 600 acres area. There are so many animal available. I really like to see freedom animal. I really like to see freedom animal. When I go there, I saw animal, freedom animal, and also saw different kind of tree. This is a agro in our country. They provide us oxygen. There are so many different kind of there are so many different kind of tree available, like shal, shegun, also etc. But my most favorite place is this, because I am an animal lover. I always go there with my friends. Almost every month I go there, because of it is my near cities, and it almost 30 kilometer nearby my home. That's why I go there every month.